Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. So today we will going to learn how you can create or edit a user to your WordPress website. Okay. So if you have not yet seen the video on how you can create your website, so make sure to watch that video. I will be giving a link over here, a information tab. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So you have to log in into your WordPress dashboard, okay, WordPress admin, and you have to go directly to users on the left hand side. Okay, so you see there are three options over here: all user, add new, profile. So we will going first in all user. So actually all user will be a list of every user including the admin. So we can see here that we do have only one user, that is admin. Okay, yeah. So the second is add new and the third one is profile. Okay, so profile is the same thing which I will just click on view and it will show me the profile of the admin. Okay, so we will just click and view it. So this is the author admin, which is I am. Okay, so if I want to edit, I can edit on my profile, which is this, and when I click on edit, it will give me a detailed information about myself, so I can fill it here, each and everything, right from like disable the visual editor when writing. You can like do a setting according to yourself, syntax highlighting, disable syntax highlighting when editing code. You can use your color scheme. You can use enable keyword shortcut for comment moderation or something like that. You can like you can do personalization according to your convenience. Okay, so this is the all default setting. Okay, all the default setting. So site default, you can choose your language, you can choose your username, you can enter your first name, last name, nickname, what you want to display over your blog section. Okay, so this will be going to look like this. I will just show you what is actually the main purpose of admin, or admin, not admin, the user. Okay, so you can see here that this logo is actually article which is written by admin. So if someone can visit here and see the profile of author, like who it is, what they have written, so what they can see is like admin have written so many posts, like their post will be up here. Like this is a different website, this is my personal website, and this is the shubhamrajsinghandco.tk. Okay, so this is showing you 00 web host app, so not a problem, it's a tk, not tk1. So you can see that you can display name as you want. You can use your email id, the email id which I use to topfiletrend.com, that's why it is looking topfiletrend.com. You can see the website. Yeah, you can see the website. You can give your bio, you can add your profile picture, you can set your password, you can even log out everywhere else. Okay, so this is how you can create your own profile, like you can edit your own profile. Okay, so I will just close it. So we are done with the profile thing and the edit thing. Okay, so right now we will be going and creating a new what we can say, a user. So we will be going and clicking here, add new. Okay, so you can choose any username. For example, I will choose someone random. Someone random is the username. So we need to enter their email address as well. So I will go and just search for 10-minute email. So I will be just showing you how you can create your a user on your dashboard. Okay, so this is my email address. My first name can be Ajay Nagar Kariminati. Okay, yeah. So website may be something like kariminati.com or something. You can choose the language. Okay, or you can set site default. You can uh, choose the password. Okay, so first the password will be uh, generated automatically. Okay, after that you can change your password. Okay, there is not a province, so you can like enter directly when you create the password. It is like it will be created with with a password given by the WordPress website. After that, you can change it uh, when you receive an email from the WordPress website. Okay, yeah. So send the new user an email about that account. You can go there. There will be a link that you can reset your password. Okay, and what are the this is very important. Make sure you understand this very clearly. Administrator is those who control each and everything. Okay, so these are the owner of the website, okay, which I am right now. Editor are actually the what we can say it, a kind of editor of the blogs. Okay, they do have certain rights. They can edit blog of any author. Okay, if suppose there are hundred of authors writing blogs for me on this website, so editor can edit, view, and see each and every author's blog. Okay, so the author is actually a writer who writes the blog or something, but the restriction is they can edit only their written blog or article. Okay, contributor is a kind of a person who can who is actually contributing. Okay, so I'm not sure what actually the contributor is, so I have to search about it. And subscriber is a kind of a subscriber, a reader. Okay, so contributor, contributor role in WordPress. The contributor role is essential a stripped down version of author role. A contributor is only able to perform three tasks: reading all posts as well as deleting and editing their own posts. So this the same with the, I think, with the author as well. Okay, so you can see here, yeah, so you can see here all this detail like super admin, somebody with access to site network administration feature and all the features. See the create a network article. What I don't know about this. Administrator, somebody which we are, who has access to all managed feature with a single site. Okay, within a single site. Super admin is a kind of if you do have multiple sites. Okay, so I was not aware of this. Okay, so editor is someone who can publish and manage posts, including the post of other user. Okay, I told you before. Author, somebody who can publish and manage their own post. Okay, as I told you before. Somebody who can write and manage their own post but cannot publish. Okay, so they cannot publish. They can write but they cannot publish. Okay, yeah. So editor have to publish the contributor uh, article. Subscriber is somebody who can only manage that profile. Yeah, the reader one. Okay, so I think you are now very well known with all the user roles. Okay, so we will be going forward and creating it as a maybe author. Yeah, so we'll add new user. Okay, the user is added and we will be receiving an email. Okay, so we have received an email. What the email is? Okay, username is someone random. To set your password, visit the following address. Yeah, that's it. So I think that it's a very easy peasy lemon squeezy thing. So I hope that you now understand how you can create, edit, or maybe delete also. Okay, I'll show you how to. Here, you can click on delete, and it will be deleted. Confirm the deletion, and it will be deleted. So yeah. So now you can able to see all the user, create all the user, edit your own profile, delete other user. Yeah. So I hope that now you understand each and everything about user tab in WordPress. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.